Welcome to This Week Crypto News and Announcements from Top Market Coins. Subscribe, join, and follow up for more news with our exclusive weekly report only at Top Market Coins channel and social media. News number 1. Visa and Consensys partner to build tech for central bank digital currencies. Visa announced on Thursday that it will expand its crypto services one step further by partnering with blockchain software company Consensys to build an on-ramp for central bank digital currencies. The payment giant aims to create a CBDC sandbox available in the spring where central banks can experiment with distributing the technology after minting on Consensys Quorum protocol. The partnership is the latest development in the booming cryptocurrency market, with central banks vying to mint their own digital coins and established financial companies dabbling in crypto payments. Central banks are moving from research to actually wanting to have a tangible product that they can experiment with, said Chewy Sheffield, Visa's head of crypto. CBDCs can run off distributed ledger or blockchain technology-built protocols. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ether, CBDC protocols are always permissioned, meaning central banks maintain monetary and governance control. The partnership uses a two-tier distribution model for CBDCs. Central banks would design their digital currency on Consensys Quorum, where they would set its monetary and governance rules. They then use Visa's infrastructure to distribute the currency via financial intermediaries like commercial banks. Eswar Prasad, a senior professor of trade policy at Cornell University and author of The Future of Money, explained some of the advantages of the Visa Consensys model. It doesn't cut payment providers out of the equation and could allow competition for who can provide the most efficient, low-cost services. Prasad said the central bank will likely prefer to manage the payment infrastructure themselves, yet he pointed out that Visa's approach is also noteworthy for how it could help maintain the relevance of its payment network amidst fast-moving changes in the payment space that could undercut its business model. The change also includes stablecoins and various fintech payment platforms. Visa has been involved in crypto-related products since 2019, leveraging its existing payment networks as an advantage for building on-ramps for buying crypto and off-ramps for converting it back to fiat currency. It already settles transactions in one stablecoin and more recently opened up a crypto consulting service that caters to banks exploring cryptocurrency plans of their own. The number of countries exploring CBDCs has more than doubled in the last year and a half. According to the Atlantic Council's CBDC tracker, at least 87 different countries, which represent 90% of global gross domestic product, are weighing the financial technology in some fashion. However, progress and goals within that group have been uneven. 9 central banks, including Nigeria, the Bahamas, and 7 others from the Caribbean nations, have launched a CBDC. Meanwhile, China is ready to unveil its pilot digital yuan to foreign visitors next month during the 2022 Winter Olympics. News number 2. QFS, the token, rises up 384%. This fact may explain the recent run to new highs of QFS token listed at Top Market Coins Exchange. Quantum Financial System token is focused on the future development of the digital currencies as a way of united payment system in the new digital era. It combines the knowledge of all the financial instruments in it and giving opportunity for new investment options to the traders in all financial fields. The token price has gotten a sudden boom of 384% on January 14th following the current news updates. Congratulations on the owners. Meanwhile, major central banks like the Fed aren't expected to issue a digital coin anytime soon. During his reconfirmation hearing earlier this week, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said that the Fed's long-awaited paper on CBDCs will be released in the coming weeks, but gave no firm timetable beyond that. It's more an exercise in asking questions and seeking input from the public rather than taking positions on various issues, although we do take some positions, Powell said. News number 3. Strike strikes again from El Salvador to Argentina. Competition is raging between payment companies that want to take advantage of cryptocurrency technology. It's not only Visa and MasterCard, but also PayPal that enters the game, as we've already informed you. What are the opportunities and challenges? And yes, Strike strikes again from El Salvador to Argentina. Strike, the company that helped El Salvador adopt Bitcoin by providing support for Chivo Wallet, is now available in Argentina. Jack Mallers, Strike's CEO, said on Twitter. It's the second country in which it enters after El Salvador, while according to the official announcement of Strike. Within the year, it intends to expand to Brazil, Colombia, and other Latin American markets. So, did Strike succeed? Can it offer international bank transfers in seconds at almost zero cost? From what it seems, it's still early for festivals. For the time being at least, the implementation of Argentina will not have the same possibilities of those of El Salvador. You will not be able to send either Bitcoin or US dollars immediately. At the moment, the only available option for sending and receiving money is Tether, the most popular stablecoin that has a locked exchange rate with the dollar. According to Mahlers, there's a way for Argentinians to acquire Bitcoin through Strike. All they have to do is link Strike to their Twitter accounts and they can receive tips and dashes. Another problem is that the Strike application in Argentina currently only supports USDT transfers to Ethereum infrastructure. Transactions between two Strike users are free, but when it comes to money transfers with different wallets, the data change. Since Ethereum gas fees are known to be quite high, small transactions become very costly and therefore unprofitable when transferring money outside of Strike. In conclusion, Strike as applied in Argentina lags far behind the services offered to its customers in the United States or El Salvador. Nevertheless, it does not stop giving the people of Argentina a shield of protection against macroeconomic adversity. Indicatively, this year the estimates show that inflation will reach 55% this year and GDP will shrink by 12%. These conditions lead the Argentinians to abandon the peso and turn to the dollar, even if they buy it with a hat. At least with Strike, they'll be able to get Tether at the price that everyone buys, without capital controls or other government barriers. We do not know what Strike will achieve, but what is certain is that the competition between payment companies that want to take advantage of cryptocurrency technology has been fueled for good. It's not only Visa and MasterCard in whose networks you can pay by connecting the card to your e-wallet, but also PayPal that goes in even deeper into cryptocurrencies. As we've informed earlier, the PayPal Curve subsidiary is focusing on creating its own stablecoin linked to the dollar, according to Bloomberg. News number 4, German Fintech Naga to start crypto-focused social trading platform. Naga will consist of a crypto wallet, NFT and staking platforms, a spot exchange, and a futures and derivatives exchange. Publicly traded German Fintech Naga, which offers investments in stocks and crypto via its mobile app, will start a social trading platform in 2022 called Nagax. Naga announced on Thursday. The platform, set to launch in the first quarter of this year, will consist of a crypto wallet, a non-fungible token platform, a staking platform, a spot exchange with around 700 tradable assets, and a futures and derivatives exchange. Nagax will aim to offer a unique Web3 social trading experience, whereby users' generated content on the platform is converted into NFTs that can be monetized. Any user who has access to an Ethereum-based wallet can unlock the content immediately. Each content is thus tokenized and can even be traded as an NFT itself, said Benjamin Bilski, Naga CEO, in a statement. Bilski believes that the platform will see great demand by offering traders content that incorporates a variety of content from multiple channels, while also featuring a monetization stream for crypto influencers. Naga trades on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange with a market capitalization of around 270 million euros or $310 million. News number 5. Global crypto funds post sharp gains in 2021. Barclay Hedge. In New York, global cryptocurrency funds racked up steep gains last year after most digital currencies soared in price, led by Bitcoin and Ether amid strong institutional interest and greater acceptance from regulators worldwide, according to Barclay Hedge, a division of Backstop Solutions. The Barclay Hedge Cryptocurrency Traders Index was up 138.1% for 2021, according to data the firm posted on Friday, showing results of about 39 funds or less than 50% of the digital asset management firms it tracks. That followed record gains of 173% in 2020, as crypto funds benefited from extreme volatility that the coronavirus pandemic stoked across financial markets. Bitcoin gained 60% in 2021 as it hit a record peak of $69,000 in November, while Ether, the token used for the Ethereum blockchain, surged roughly 400%. There's an air of legitimacy now. Bitcoin is no longer viewed as an esoteric digital currency used only on the fringes by techies and cyberpunks, according to CoinDesk Annual Crypto and Blockchain Review for 2021. Crypto's more traditional cousin, foreign exchange, on the other hand, turned in modest returns in 2021. And that's all for our weekly crypto review on Top Market Coins. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, like button, and ring that bell for notifications.